Oof. Hi guys, this is Kuhu. Um, after what, like 20 years? It's not been 20 years. It's been around like 2 years since I've posted on this channel, and I just finished my exam today. Your girl has finally passed 12th and first year successfully. So now I'm a sophomore in college. Such a fancy word for a second year old. Anyways, I'm in second year now, and I will be vlogging almost every day from now on, because why not, right? It's like life's small, life's gonna end. So I wanna do that. Good morning, guys. Your girl is awake now. And I am going back to Udaipur, and I have a lot of stuff, like, which I've packed already. This is my room in the city that I'm living in, and I'm going back to Udaipur for 2 months. So yeah, I have packed a lot of stuff, so I want to show you. So this is all the stuff that I have to take to Udaipur, because apparently I don't have any of it in Udaipur. And it has clothes, gym stuff, and shoes and bag and all the stuff. So yeah, that's now what's up. So yeah, doing that. Plus the hair is so giving today, and it's morning, so it's giving more. And I love you guys, and I want to see you again somewhere. Good morning, guys. I'm back in Udaipur, and yeah, I did not film yesterday because I was like, who will do that? Anyways, I'm back in Udaipur, and I just came back from the gym, and I'm gonna go and buy some groceries because my mom is like, "Beta, ghar kam khara karo." So now I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go get some groceries. We just acquired the sabzi. I got some gobi and some mirch because my mom is trying to make something. Bas, that's it. I'm gonna go home. We also have another item to acquire, that is moongfali. I'm gonna do that now. Acquired. मेरी माँ ने मुझे ड्राइवर और घर का ग्रोसर बना रखा है, तो अगर किसी को भी मैं उदयपुर में कहीं पे भी दिखूँ और मैं कुछ खरीदने जा रही हूँ, तो वो मुझे मेरी माँ ने ही भेजा होगा. एंड आई एम सो श्योर अबाउट दैट. एनीवेज गाइस, क्योंकि घर का ग्रोसर होने की वजह से मुझे पूरे दिन बाहर रहना पड़ता है, तो मैंने सामान तो ले लिया है, पर अब मैं अपने माँ बाप से जाके पैसे लूँगी. लेट्स, आई विल टेक यू गाइस विद मी देन. Oh, this side better. And gym is exhausting, man. Have you ever been to gym? The gym, it doesn't look like, but still, that is what people say to me. I just almost dropped this. That's good. Hi guys, I'm back. Hi Mama, say hi to the camera please. Hi Papa.
हाय, काम करते हो पापा?
Yes, काम करते हुए Papa. Hi Mama. Manju Mausi, do you want to be in the vlog? Or do you not want to be in the vlog? You want to be in the vlog? Hi Manju Mausi. Hi. आपने मुझे घर का ग्रोसर बना. ये बंद करो, मेरे को कॉपीराइट लग जाएगा. पॉज कर दो ना आते. मम्मा ने मेरे को घर का मम्मा ने मुझे घर का ग्रोसर बना रखा है, जिसके लिए मैं सामान लेकर आई हूँ. मम्मा थैंक यू बोलो. थैंक यू. आपको मैं ब्लॉग में नहीं लूँगी क्योंकि आप बोलते हो दिस इज माई पर्सनल राइट. आई डोंट वांट टू बी इन द ब्लॉग. Isn't that what you say? I'm gonna blur your face anyways. Okay. तो हाँ मम्मा, मेरे को आपसे पैसे मांगने थे इन सब चीज़ों के। दैट इज व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग द व्लॉग।
मैंने 200 रुपए दिए थे ना।
500 मैंने कल दी।
ये फॉल्स एलिगेटर्स लगाए जा रहे हैं मुझ पे गाइस। ये कुछ भी नहीं है, मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी पैसे नहीं थे। आज मैंने सब अपनी पॉकेट मनी में से दिए। मुझ पे तीर मारा जा रहा है।
चलो रखो, थैंक यू।
Yes. So, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna do food. So we have shifted on to my pretty camera, जो मेरा छोटा सा कैमरा है, क्योंकि why not, right? क्योंकि आईफोन की स्टोरेज तो बढ़ती रहेगी और बढ़ती ही रहेगी और बढ़ती ही रहेगी, और मेरे पास इतनी स्टोरेज भी नहीं है कि मैं अपनी आईफोन की स्टोरेज को इस वीडियो के लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर सकूं। मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि मैं कैसी दिख रही हूँ, क्योंकि इसके अंदर मिरर नहीं है। एनीवेज, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एजेंडाज टुडे एंड माय मॉम इज विद मी। मॉम, वॉइस प्लीज।
हेलो बेबी।
यस, सो मॉम इज ऑल्सो देयर। सो वी आर गोना डिसाइड कि आज हम क्या क्या करेंगे, है मम्मा? और मैं मम्मा को कैमरा पे नहीं लूँगी, क्योंकि मम्मा आई एम वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल ऑफ हर पर्सनल स्पेस and she doesn't want me to record her, so I'm not gonna do that. Yes, तो आज हमें रिलायंस जाना है और हमें सब्जी और ग्रोसरीज खरीद के लानी है. So we are gonna do that. And I have no idea how I look, but कोई बात नहीं, it doesn't matter. And what I'm thinking is I'm gonna put a little like mirror here, so that would actually tell me how I look. Anyways, second agenda क्या मम्मा हमारी लिस्ट पे?
आज शाम में पार्टी करेंगे।
आज शाम को हमें पार्टी करने जाना है, तो आज हम वो करेंगे. और हमारा थर्ड एजेंडा क्या है मम्मा? मेरा थर्ड एजेंडा है कि अभी जाके मेरे को करना है ब्रेकफास्ट, तो आई एम गोना डू दैट. एंड डू यू हैव एनीथिंग एल्स?
रेस्ट.
Oh, she's gonna rest, but I'm gonna do something today. Let's.
मधुमक्खी कहाँ से आई? उई, उई, उई।
मम्मा, ये पिछले 15 मिनट से यहीं घूम रही है.
भगाना इसको।
कुछ कर थोड़ी रही है क्या आपको?
अरे बैठ जाएगी तो काटेगी, हटा ना।
नहीं काटेगी भाई, देखो जा रही है वो, चली गई वो, ये देखो. तो मम्मा, मेरी माँ मुझे बस वीडियो ही दिखाती रहती है. एनीवेज, मम्मी अभी एक वीडियो देख रही थी, उसके अंदर एक बंदा एक बंदी को लेदर बेल्ट से मार रहा था. गाड़ी आके ठोक गई उसको. यार मम्मा, मेरे को अजीब अजीब सी वीडियो है मत दिखाया करो, मेरे को डर लग जाता है इनसे.
लिंक भेज सकते
लिंक भेजो. माय मॉम. एनीवेज, चलो लेट्स गो डू ब्रेकफास्ट. लेट्स डू ब्रेकफास्ट. So now that our first agenda is there, I want to have some breakfast because I'm having some dalgona coffee right here and some eggs, cranberries, and sabudana ki khichdi. Because why not? Like, isn't it necessary to have a good balanced breakfast? I also track all my food and all that stuff that I eat in an app, which I will tell you later. So that's a really good app. So now I'm gonna have breakfast. So this is what my breakfast looks like. This is sabudana khichdi, that's cranberries, eggs, and my dalgona coffee. So I'm gonna eat that. Yeah, and it's a really good balanced breakfast because like carbs, eggs, fiber, milk, all that stuff. So yeah, I just got done with breakfast. It's around 11. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go bathe, and after bathing I'm gonna do my skincare, and then we're gonna go out to shop. We did not bath but we still have to go out, so I'm gonna go and get ready. See you there then. And we're ready, and now we're leaving. This is the lighting is so good today. I'm gonna leave now. It's hot and it's like, but we have to shop, so I'm gonna do that. गाड़ी को ठोकते ठुकाते हम आ चुके हैं रिलायंस, और हम करेंगे शॉपिंग.
अच्छे थे लेकिन क्या जान निकल गई फिर.
मैंने गाड़ी ठोक दी गलती से, गाइस किसी को बताना मत. सोया मिल्क हम ले चुके हैं. वी जस्ट एक्वायर्ड सम सोया मिल्क. And Reliance ki trips are always so fun because everybody in the Reliance is now looking at me. Should I buy this or not, guys? Because like, look at it. just so attractive. I'm contemplating whether should I buy Nissin ke cup noodles or should I buy Geki noodles, which is like super spicy ones. Wait, let me show you. They're super spicy and they're really tasty. I'm gonna get these, I think. So I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm gonna make something with that because, like, why not? I'm hungry. Like 2 after 2 days or like 3 days. I acquired all the stuff that I wanted. Let's see. So here is all the stuff that we got. And yeah, and my mom's bragging about it. Hi mom, say hi.
Hello.
Finally reached home. Bringing all the stuff home is like, I only train for the gym for doing this because I want to bring my mom's groceries back into the house without any help. That is the only reason I do it. Okay, now that we're done, I'm gonna go have lunch. So why not? And this fucking cooker. Anyways, I'm gonna have lunch. It's around 2 right now. So yeah, I just got a call that I'm getting a parcel now. So I'm gonna Google it, the parcel, and I'm gonna show you what I got because I got really good stuff. I just got my package. I know what's inside it, but you guys don't know what's inside it. So we'll see together. These nails are very useful. I got peach and plum lotions and body washes and matching scents. Now, I want to try this. I want to try this right now. So I just washed my hand with the body shower gel. What the fuck am I speaking? Anyway, and I put the lotion on top of it. And honestly, like she said, it smells sweet and sour at the same time. So it's very eatable. And yeah, I think so. It would smell really good, honestly. So I think so that brings us to the end of this vlog. Today we did a lot of things. But yeah, it was fun vlogging for one day, and I'm gonna vlog every day from the next few days. I'm editing the video right now, you can see. So yeah, I mean, it's a fun little project for me. Not that I want to do anything with it. Yeah, it's gonna be fun, and let's see if we can have more fun in the vlogs. I love you guys, and please like, share and subscribe.